James Renouf here and Dave Espino. Welcome to AI Disruptor 1.0. You are absolutely going to love this. I'm having my best month ever. Dave is refreshing his phone every single day, seeing new payments coming in. And now you're going to get to be able to join what we're doing. Dave?
We're fired up about this. It's really a way to tap into 90 million buyers, not just 90 million visitors. A lot of websites can say that, but 90 million buyers. These are people searching. These are people spending a lot of time looking for you and your products and services. And so we have figured out a way to use the power of AI and leverage that AI to bring those buyers, those people who are looking for you, the most awesome products and services. And you have AI do all the work for you. So you have free traffic, you have a huge number of buyers, not just visitors, buyers, and you have AI doing the work for you. That's just the beginning of what we got for you here today.
And that's the thing. It's not just about knowing about AI right now. It's about knowing how to literally go after the different markets. And we're going to show you exactly how to do it. It's not just us. It's not just that I'm having my best month ever. It's not just that Dave is seeing these exceptional results, but we have other people, and you're going to see snippets of their interviews below of them showing what they're doing. So there isn't a question of whether or not this works. It's just a question of whether or not you're willing to take the seconds of time that's required to make this happen. Not hours, not days, not weeks, to try and figure out if you can do something. We're showing you exactly what you can disrupt, and you will disrupt when you use the power of this system.
Yes, and we're talking about AI Disruptor 1.0, and the reason we called it that is because AI is disrupting everything, as we already know. But James and I, being deeply involved in AI lately and really researching and checking out all the markets, we see that AI is disrupting these already proven systems, these already proven ways to make money online. But the big difference is AI makes it so much faster. So where before you might have made $100 an hour providing a service or a product, now you can do 10 times that in an hour because AI is doing the work for you. So imagine just having AI as this super brain or this bot that's creating all these services and products for you, that's doing it, making it happen, and all you are is the go-between. You're the middle person in between these 90 million buyers, and the AI is providing the service. You're just making those two happen together, and you're profiting from that.
And people sometimes think, you think of AI, you think of making money as this really, really involved thing. It's not. Now it's so easy, especially where we are right now in this time, where you can go out and literally see, as Dave said, proven ways to make money. We know the money's already being there. It's already being made by people that are willing to trade their hours for dollars. Now you destroy everybody because it's not about hours to you anymore. It's about using the power and leverage of this specific system to go out and go after that money that exists already, and you're basically pulling it out of thin air because now you can beat the competition. It takes someone else a week to do it, or it takes someone else with all these skills and years to make these things happen. No, you just go in and you literally make it happen in seconds and give a better service, give a better product to these buyers. They're going to love you for it, and they're going to pay you for it. And we're going to show you exactly what to do.
So be sure to check out AI Disruptor 1.0 down below. We look forward to seeing you on the inside.